It's no surprise that most major repairs are needed after the original factory warranty has expired, which means that you'll have to deal with all of the inconvenience, time, energy, and expenses of those repairs. Depending on the age and mileage of your vehicle, you can purchase up to 120,000 miles of coverage. The vehicle protection plan begins on the purchase date and expires according to the term and mileage selected, whichever occurs first, and may include a deductible depending on the option selected. You can select from a national network of over 6,000 authorized service centers or any licensed repair facility in the U.S. or Canada. Here are the 3 coverage levels. Platinum coverage. In addition to offering the same features of powertrain and gold, Platinum expands to cover many assemblies of your vehicle, giving you the ultimate peace of mind protection. Certain restrictions, limitations, and/or exclusions may apply. Gold coverage. Gold offers all of the same features of powertrain with the following additional coverage. Certain restrictions, limitations, and/or exclusions may apply. Powertrain coverage. Powertrain offers protection against covered mechanical breakdowns of the engine, transmission, and drive axle. Certain restrictions, limitations, and/or exclusions may apply. For more information, please visit fidelitywarrantyservices.com.